um dinner, an early dinner for now because I need to go out later on. I think I'll go out with you later on. So here I have some chicken in it already, and I need to take it. So, and then here I just bought some potatoes now that are not hot with their skin, so I'll just deep fry it like potato wedges like that. So that's what's happening, guys. So let me start now. Okay, so I will take chicken out and see. Oh, I have an idea. I'll just open, because when I put chicken inside, I first open the donut, but now I'm going to open that one. Then we'll be done. I marinated chicken with, guys, I went to an orchard and I found some freshly green, almost ripe lemon. So it's mainly like lemon chicken that I'm making. So now I wanted to make, you know, guys, I wanted to make these wedges. I think, are they? Yeah, they are soft. They are not even mushy. I put a little bit of salt when I boiled them. So I think I'll just fry it like that. So let me put you close so that you see what's going to happen. So I just took the pan right now and open, because I use gas stove, guys. So I'm just placing it there. I think I need some cooking oil. I'll just pour up to your desire which one you like. Not too much, but if I need along the way, I'll just pour some more again. Then I need a frying spoon, so I'll just take this one to be here. I'll just put it here. And then we'll start, guys. So that's what's happening. This is the first vlog of 2026, guys. I know I've been MIA even for lives. I think I should start again. Go back on live almost every day. My dedication must come back. My dedication must come back, guys. My dedication must really come back. So let me start. I wanted to put it like in the egg, then in flour like that, but I have no eggs right now. After when I go out, then maybe I'll look for eggs and some other things. So here we go. How can I show you? Okay, let's see. Maybe I'll flip the camera like this. Then after to put, I don't want to put when it is very hot because it will be popping on me. So that's what's happening. I need to buy new pots, guys. Don't come for me. I need to buy some new pots. It's in the budget, guys. It's in the budget. So for now, I'll use what I have. 2026 new pots, new, you know, whatever. And I always put foil paper here. So after I cook today, I will remove this foil paper. Then I'll put a new one. It's good for my stove. Otherwise, it will be something else. So I'm just putting little by little like this. Then we watch it simmer like that. Then after, we'll see the aftermath, after result. Okay, let's flip and see. Oh, wow. Becoming golden brown. That's what we want to achieve, guys. We want to achieve the golden brown look of these homemade wedges on a budget. Homemade wedges with skin on it. On a budget. You know, they always say, even if you're on a budget, with the food that you have, try to cook it like, you know, good. It's a way of taking the body that works, because we got to work or, you know, I was up and about trying to make ends meet. So when you go in the kitchen, just remember that. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I've taken my hot pot here. I put the kitchen serviette, the kitchen towel. So I'm just going to, so that the oil will drain on it. Then I'll just put it here. All of it. Oh, it will come out so good, guys. It will come out so good. then I'll put in the next batch. So I'll just show you the aftermath when I'm done with the chicken and the homemade wedges.